A paper in your hand and a rule somewhere that differs from the actual law or rule stated and given by the government. Nobody compares them, neither you nor the system. Every time it's checked whether the citizen is complying with the system. No one checks whether the system is complying with the citizens' rights, which are protecting them. You are in the hospital paying a bill, and you don't even know that you're overcharged. You are settling a payment with the lease, in the lease, with the tenant. Now, you don't even know that somewhere in the lease it is mentioned that they won't be refunding the amount, the deposit amount. Now, that is the problem. There are many such dispute cases, but I have mentioned just two. Now, the solution is Pramaan. Hi, I'm Regis Sulake, Team Matrix Metric. What is Pramaan? The solution is simple. You hand it a bill, it hands you the proof. It's one machine designed to do all sorts of dispute clarifications. Now, if it finds any rule or any violation, then it will show you the proof that this is being violated. It's simple. You give the bill, the OCR will scan it. It will read it. It will look up the official rule. It will compare if it says it's illegal, then it will give you the proof. It will act. It will place a provisional reversible hold on the billing gateway of the system. Now over to Murgesh. He will explain you the architecture.
Thank you, Vrajesh. Moving to the part 1 engine, the 6 steps on IBM Watson Orchestrate. The client, the ionic and the capacitor captures the bill and renders the verdict. It never decides, the brain does. Step 3, the compare, where it has no AI in it. It's your value minus the official value in the plain code, where models cannot touch it, and that's why it cannot hallucinate. It's pure subtraction. And coming to the part 2, the proof, where the system doesn't give an opinion, it works on the actual math you can rerun. Within the system, every card carries three anchors: source, rule, and compute, where it is reproducible by you, a judge, a pharmacist, or a consumer forum. If there is no source, the card says unverified, which is never a gap. If there is a shaky rate, it gives a yellow card where it gives a tag to confirm through the user. Okay, coming next. What is an agent? Because it doesn't just write a letter and hope. It freezes some money. For example, after finding an overcharge, Pramaan uses an MCP tool called placehold to ping the billing gateway and place a programmatic dispute hold on that specific invoice. The disputed amount is frozen at the source while you review the evidence. And what is the role of Gen AI in this solution? Because the AI here writes the words, it never picks the numbers, and IBM Granite drafts the summary and the complaint letter, but the numbers come from the proof cards and not the model. In short, the model is allowed to talk and it is not allowed to decide, and it's all built on IBM for the RAG and agentic from data prepkit, Granite, Watson X orchestration, and agent ops. Now back to you, Rajesh.
Now, what's so unique about this idea? Everyone points the arrow at the citizen, but we point it back. We check compliance the both ways. We just do not have something like writing a letter and drafting it to dignitaries saying that here there is something illegal. No, we actually take a real time prevention by holding the billing gateway in the cases of payment. So, this is what very unique and a novelty for this idea. Now, what is the impact? The impact that we bring by this idea. You know, if you see, we reach out to those people who never complain through legal aid, tenant unions, or gig collectives, because they bring trust and we bring the engine. Now, here's the scenario. I think I'm cheated. Now, this becomes here is the proof, tap to send. That's what is the impact is. Now, talking about ethical consideration, the safeguards are in the code: the confidence gate, the anchor gate, the consent gate. Now, nothing permanent happens without your tap. That is, once we get something illegal and the proof is given, the dispute letter has been drafted, it just has one click, and the click is given by you. That is your permission. Once you give the permission, the letter will be sent to dignitaries, the dispute will be raised, and the hold will be placed. So, in 36 hours on this sprint of the hackathon day, we will ship everything that we have said over here with a live example planted right on the stage, which will show you the overcharge. Thank you.